To disable Talkback on Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, as you can see right here, I don't have Talkback currently enabled. It's pretty hard to record video when Talkback keeps speaking over me, so I decided to have it disabled. I will show you how to disable it anyway. It's very easy. So what you need to do is open settings, and each time you're gonna tap to open something or just simply enter something, you will need to tap on it once and then quickly double tap. So on the settings we should just tap once and then quickly double tap. That way we'll be able to see them. We can then navigate all the way down to accessibility and repeat the same thing as we did with the settings, and then there's a talkback. Now you'll be able to find the switch on the top that allows you to turn it on or off.
Talkback on. Welcome to Talkback.
In this case, I've just enabled it to show you how to disable it. So
spoken, finished. You can come. Finish. Allow. Talkback. Navigate up button. Talkback on. Turn off Talkback. Turn off. Talkback off.
And that's how you can turn it off. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.